Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change volume on the Roku app. Is it possible? Here's a quick tutorial on adjusting volume with the Roku app. Many users wonder if it's possible, and the answer depends on the device you're using. If you have a Roku streaming stick or Roku Ultra, the mobile app works as a virtual remote, letting you navigate menus, launch shows, and control playback, but it won't let you adjust your TV's volume directly. However, you can enable private listening mode, which sends the audio to your phone, allowing you to control the volume through your phone's button. On the other hand, Roku TVs with Roku OS built in do support full volume control directly within the mobile app. So, unless you're using a Roku TV, you'll need your TV remote for volume adjustments. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.